Coastal Shandong stir-fried clams with blistering ginger and scallions. A delicious Chinese, Shandong, main course recipe. This recipe serves to 4 servings. Preparation takes about 45 minutes. And cooking takes around 8 minutes. Here is what you'll need. 2 pounds Manila clams or little neck clams, 1 tablespoon sea salt, 3-inch piece fresh ginger, 4 stalks scallions, 4 cloves garlic, 1 to 2 pieces fresh red bird's eye chili, a quarter cup cilantro, 2 tablespoons Shaoxing rice wine, 1 tablespoon light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Step 1. Purge the clams by placing them in a large bowl of cool water mixed with 1 tablespoon of sea salt. Let them sit for at least 30 minutes, up to 2 hours, in a cool spot to allow them to spit out any internal sand. Rinse thoroughly under cold running water and drain. Step 2. Prepare all aromatics. Peel and julienne the ginger into thin matchsticks, slice the garlic, and cut the white parts of the scallions into 1-inch sections. Step 3. In a small bowl, whisk together the light soy sauce, sugar, and white pepper. Keep the Shaoxing wine in a separate small container as it will be used to deglaze the wok. Step 4. Place a heavy-bottomed wok or large skillet over high heat. Wait until the wok begins to smoke slightly before adding the peanut oil. Step 5. Swirl the oil to coat the sides of the wok. Add the julienne ginger and stir-fry for 30 seconds until the edges are golden and the aroma is released. Step 6. Add the garlic slices, white parts of the scallions, and sliced chili. Stir-fry for another 20 seconds, being careful not to burn the garlic. Step 7. Carefully add the drained clams to the wok. Increase the heat to its highest setting and toss the clams vigorously to coat them in the aromatic oil. Step 8. Pour the Shaoxing wine around the hot perimeter of the wok. The steam created will help cook the clams and infuse them with a nutty sweetness. Step 9. Drizzle the soy sauce mixture over the clams. Cover the wok with a tight-fitting lid for 2 to 3 minutes. This traps the steam and ensures all clams open simultaneously. Step 10. Remove the lid and check the clams. Most should be wide open. Use a slotted spoon to remove any clams that have opened to a side plate to prevent overcooking, leaving the juices in the wok. Step 11. Continue to boil the remaining sauce in the wok for 1 minute on high heat to reduce it slightly until it becomes a shimmering glaze. Step 12. Return all clams to the wok. Toss quickly to coat every shell in the concentrated ginger soy glaze. Step 13. Turn off the heat. Drizzle with the toasted sesame oil and toss in the green parts of the scallions and the chopped cilantro. Step 14. Transfer immediately to a warm serving platter, discarding any clams that failed to open during the cooking process. And that's it. For the full recipe with exact measurements, visit dishwiz.info.